Hello and welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. This tutorial covers how to grade quiz manually, that is check responses and grade them, add feedback to the responses and release score. Let's get started. In my previous video, I shared how to create a quiz in Google Form which release score after manual review. I also discussed how to create different types of questions, for example, answer the following, long answer type questions, predict output of the following. When you open your form from Drive, you can see this page open. So first is questions option. You can see your question. So this is the head we designed. Then enter your name, enter your roll number, then answer in short. First section we added, then second section, and the last section. So in this way you can split your paper into different sections. I have also shared video on how to create different sections in Google Form. Do check that video. Now first is questions, second is responses. So here you can see in circle total number of responses of the form received. Click on responses. So when you click on responses, you will see summary option, question option and individual option. Summary option, you can see the summary of all the responses. So you can see all the responses here. You can see score not released. So using this option, you can release scores of all the students. You can find roll number and all the questions. Next is questions option. You can view all your questions from this option. You can also add feedback for a particular student. For example, to add feedback, here you can see it is ungraded response. You can directly also grade test from here. You can give marks, number of marks you want. You can give marks and save your changes. So you can directly give marks from here to all the students. Then the response will be graded and you can even add feedback from this option for all the students. From the question option, at once you can put points for all the students and add feedback. The third option is individual. So you can individually check responses of the students. So you can check, here you can see total 59. One by one you can check all the responses. You can print response and you can delete a particular response. Here score not released till now. You can release score of the student. So you can also release score of a particular student or you can release score of all at once. For example, I want to check a particular test. Here you can see head of the test. Here you can see it is ungraded, that is it is not checked till now, that is 0 of 20 points and scores are not released. I can release score using this option. Then email address option is there, enter your name option and roll number. You can see here is first is the answer in short option. So answer in short is of 10 points. You can see on the section in the answer in short section. So to check this answer, you can see by default your cross option is there, that is this is ungraded, that is it is not checked till now. So it is cross and it is in red color. To check answer, you can check the answer written by the student. So towards the right top you can see 2 points. So while designing the test, I have assigned 2 points to the question. You can see according to the answer, give points to the question. After giving points, you can see edits are pending. Click on save to save changes or else use discard to discard changes. Here you can see edit saved option. So after giving points, you can see the question is now graded. You can find tick option and green colored. That means this is checked and you can find the total marks. Now for the second one, if according to the answer, if you find that answer is not sufficient or not complete, you can give points according to the answer. For example, you only give 1 point for this question. Click on save. You can also discard the changes. After saving, you can see edits saved and you can see here points. So here you can see only 1 point After giving 1 point also it is red. So when you give full marks it is green, and when you give no marks or some marks it is still then red. You can also add individual response. You can add different feedback for each question. Here you can see add individual feedback, or you can also add overall feedback. In this way you can also grade long answer type question. This is long question, you can see. So according to the answer, give points to the student. After giving points, click on save. So changes will be saved, and you can scroll down and check the question. So here you can see points given, and you can see green tick mark, that is question is graded. Now next is, let's see another example. This is next one is predict output of the following code. This is MCQ type. You can also check MCQ type manually. So for example, this is correct, so you can give point, and after giving point, click on save. So after checking the test, you can see here it is graded, that is it is checked, green tick mark you can see. So in this way you can check all type of question. This is short answer type question, you can grade them. Then long answer type question, side by side you can also see the points in the sections. That is, in the first section student received 3 points out of 10. Then here 3 of 3. Here you can see 1 of 3. In this way check the marks also, and you can grade short answer type questions, then long answer type questions, and last one is MCQ type of question. You can also grade manually. So after checking the test, you can also release the score of the student using release score option. You can release score individually. In the summary option, after checking all the papers at once, you can release the score of all these students. That is, all total 59 students, you can release the score at once using release scores option in summary. This one. In Google Forms, you can check or grade different types of questions. For example, answer the following: short answer type questions, long answer type questions, MCQs. You can add feedback for a particular question or to the whole test, and you can even release the score. Hope you learned from this video. If you did, hit the like button, share to your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.